When me I go to a tiptoe, you know, just to a flooring, you know. Me see some head under the cellar. I follow me. I follow me foot. And me find out some me well circle up.
Hand to mouth. As we get the money, it done. True, man. Sometimes me I tell us, say, yo, life hard, but what can we do? That's why we have my channel. When life hit you, you just pull up over here so and have a laugh. Tonight, today, tomorrow, whenever, we watch some Peanut Dread. Peanuts, nutsy.
When me see them, and them a yell me up. Me a hear them a yell me up that way I say, Dread, what you say? Me have to say, my brother, me wasn't saying nothing. What kind of approach that? Now when somebody talking to you and you don't hear well what him saying, you ask him what him was saying. Come. Good. Ras, what you deal with? Me cannot walk around and tell people what I am dealing with, brother. What kind of approach that? Or you come and investigate me without reason? Come. You're stuck. Alright. Some pass. Morning dread. Hold on, me no see your morning. You go pass and I say good morning. Me no see your good morning. Now you hold out with you and we see your good morning. You wasting time, you know. Why you won't walk around and tell go howdy?
Come. This man just dark. Man no good morning, no good evening, no good night. It's like don't heal the dread. It no matter how you heal the dread find it offensive. Just don't heal the dread. Just carry on with your life, carry on with your business, and leave the dread alone. Come. Moving forward. Anyways, like the video.
Tell the dog them and the goat good morning to you know, right? Because me and you she says good morning. And you come and tell me say good morning, Dread. Come on, man. One love, one heart, one destiny too, right? Good. Some again. See me I say. Wagwan, Dread. Well, and you know see Wagwan. Now you all away there. And me you come and ask Wagwan. If I'm me you go ask Wagwan, you know you're going to get knocked. You know if you look out of your ear and say Wagwan. You can't come ask me what you all away there and you all away see Wagwan. And me you come and you know see you now. One love, man. And love in the house, you know. Right? Yeah. Love east, west, north and south, brother. And that is the game.
Hey, as dark as it dread be, he's making a lot of sense. No, anybody ask me what I go on, me just gonna respond and say, you hold away there. Same thing what I go on with you, same thing I go on with me. We're living. Peanut Dread or something else, man. But guess what? We're moving forward. But just before we move forward, again, of course, in the system, you're asking if you like your video because YouTube, the algorithm, ain't cheating my videos them that well. So just like and share it and subscribe if you haven't.
How am I get money? The generation done to pussy clot. They want the picnic them to be lawyer, doctor, minister, judge, teacher, this, that, and we not get no money. You feel about stinking blood clot shit. I rob you want to rob me. Me wealth and me value without with the world hen. And the blood clot man fi pack stone and get you around and yard back fi stone you man with him pussy. Where you go? Where the bumper clot you go? And when we done fuck your hand up get something free? Free your pussy clot. 10,000 for your little girl. And 40 for your little boys. None now born a bumper clot. So if you take up the picnic give it free and have ready for work my woman and pick.
So basically, a dread has said, in put in the work sexually, child born, work and send the child go to school and all these things, and then the child gone out in the world, gone work for the government, him now get nothing from the government. You must say the government for pay each and every parent for their kids. When you say 40 grand for boys and 10 grand for girls. Well, we live in an equality world, so I'm gonna say 40 grand for boy and 40 grand for girl. Peanut Dread a drama. Peanut Dread something else. But we moving forward. Here and now. Watch and know.
What a dangerous rascal spirit couldn't understand, you know. The name where the name the sitting behind the man named Cocky. It's 3 demons from upper Mars and name it after name Cocky Head 1213. The amount of man where Cocky put in a problem is the only guy he can control it, you know. Because when he start to push out, it a fuck with the head or him a go broke. And you see by him broke, I don't have family court then have him. You know, so some of them kill the woman them and run. Well, some go in a prison, right? Who do it? Cocky Head 1213. Because he can't manage him. Because he's a deadly spirit. The man not talking now. The man only hack. Right? When you say silent river run deep, the breeder work Cocky Head 1213 I do. And when he done, if a him fi say him, he drop back under the man silent, and the man ain't after. And the man fi know how the man do the hack. And they sitting under him. I do them wickedness there, right? Because they start stand up, it a fuck with the man head, right? And the man can do better, right?
Father, if you're busy, go take my phone. Go and take my phone so me start watch Peanut Dread videos. Go and take my phone so me start post Peanut Dread videos. Because this cannot be real. So, basically, Peanut has say, if you have an eggplant, if you have a manhood, it's a demon you have under you. And when you stand up, you don't think with the head. Up here, so you think with the head down the bottom. And they put you in a trouble. A courthouse pick you up. What they call the court? Pick the maintenance court. No, sir. Who text me so late night, brother? 1:24. Who could it be? Anyways, we're moving forward.
I know woman. I'm not back, you know. Right? Let me believe this woman going on. Right? Because I may hood out to stand up, you know, man. And I want it, you understand, my brethren, because they go look like me, I touch the man, you know, man, and they're sitting there, right? And you know, I have me and I alone, man. That's when they done this long and get him sweetness to it, right? But no, me alone. Get the massage. And a man for massage woman, you know, don't it? Boy.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, you know, same day they had to water bath out of center massage. So the man I need a massage. So call him back when. Yeah, cool.
The man they always say to no man, and me have to hear what you say, you know. Come on, the one no seven, then me now go, what you call him, raise up water bump on me.
Yeah, dear man, a priority.
Not you?
Priority, man.
Hey, Peanut Dread live life like a king, you know. I mean, Peanut Dread kick back a river, half naked, smoking a high grade, have a nice queen or empress, as the rest of them call women. I rub him down, massage him chest, massage him leg, and the boss is a converse, a lady. After you give me this a niceness, me need to get back to run at the bush or get a room or something, and me give you some niceness. Hey, Peanut Dread talk like say, yo, him a God gift to woman in a man. Eh? Come now. Alright. We're on to the final video. Let's see what Peanut Dread have to say.
Look at me. Me have 60 blood clot here. Yeah? 60 here. Yeah? Me say when me see me head group them not even can bet him and them hole. Me said him and them hole. Me say wait, you fuck I own no things they could know. My brother. When me got all my brethren them know from when we are coming, man, and say, Dread where you die, pussy hole you die. Me say you're an idiot. Die, you pussy if me die, you know, don't see. Jarastafari. Yeah. See him with your man.
So Peanut Dread say I'm a Rasta and I can't chat about Jarastafari. See him with your man. Oh yeah, heal up man, Peanut Dread and a Rasta. Hey, Peanut Dread look good for your age and he active too. How long ago was this video? I don't know. So I could have probably 2 years ago, probably 4 years ago, probably last month, last week. But whichever one it is, it look good for your age at the time, at the moment, in the moment, at the time. And the boss always outside in a farm, so I'm active. You see me I say? Yeah, so go on do your thing, Peanut Dread. Peanut Dread don't tie on that business. Anyways, we come to the end of another video. Hope you guys like it. If you never like it, if you don't like it, bite it. But if you like it, like it. If you like it, leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Click the notification bell. And wagon. I don't remember me left out, but I have a tongue twist night again because I'm tired. Anyways, stay safe. God bless.